The Medical Coding and Billing program at Mountainland Technical College is a self-paced, hands-on 900-hour program designed to prepare students for entry-level careers in medical coding and billing. The program is ideal for students who are detail-oriented, analytical, comfortable with technology, interested in healthcare and medical terminology and anatomy. Students begin with medical billing, where they build a strong foundation in healthcare revenue cycle. They learn how to submit insurance claims, follow patient privacy regulations, and bill for both commercial and government payers, ensuring healthcare providers are paid accurately and on time. Next, students move into medical terminology and anatomy, developing an understanding of body systems and medical language. This knowledge is essential for interpreting medical documentation and correct coding. In medical coding, students learn how to translate medical records into standardized codes that are used for reimbursement and data reporting. These codes are critical for accurate payment, tracking of diseases, and evaluating the quality of patient care. Throughout the program, students gain hands-on experience using current medical code sets, including ICD-10-CM, CPT, and HCPCS. Students review documentation, applying coding guidelines, and practice selecting accurate codes to ensure compliance and proper reimbursement. Upon completion, students are prepared to sit for the AAPC Certified Professional Coder or CPC exam, a nationally recognized credential that allows graduates to work locally, out of state, or in remote and work from home positions. What sets Mountainland Technical College apart is our in-person, hands-on approach and strong student support. Instructors bring real-world industry experience into the classroom. Graduates of this program are prepared to start careers as medical coders or billers, with opportunities to advance into specialty coding or even earn additional certifications. Successful billers and coders are self-motivated, well-organized, trusted with confidential information, and adaptable to an evolving healthcare industry.